Hello, creative friends. Hey, Rebecca here. Hey, if you have not heard yet, July is World Watercolor Month. I don't know if you're like me, and my feed seems to be full right now of all kinds of great artists with so much inspiration with watercolor. And so the whole month of July, there will be tons of videos and tutorials out there with people working with watercolor. So definitely go look for it if you're interested. I have never really done much with watercolor, but I may try pulling some out this month and just to experiment. But I wanted to show you today this really cool travel kit that I did pick up on Amazon. Um, and it's by Meeden, and it's just the coolest little kit. And it really was fairly inexpensive, considering what you get here. So it opens up. It's a little booklet, but it opens up, and you've got some watercolor dot card on the right hand side, and it's got this plastic cover that it turns out it just slides off. And so this plastic cover, you could also use it for a mixing palette, I'm sure. But it's reusable. Of course, you could wipe it off and wait for these to dry, and then just slide it right back on too. But dot cards are actually pretty popular. That's how you can get samples of colors from different manufacturers. But this particular dot card, they're pretty thick little dots here. I bet you've got quite a bit of watercolor in each of these dots. So I'm just going to kind of speed this up so that you can see these swatches pretty quickly. But let's see, it's 24 different colors. And so you get a good little sized amount in each dot. And the kit came with a water brush, and I had already filled it up with water. So a pretty typical water brush. It seems to work really well. And it's got a cute little slot there where the water brush can be stored. And here in some sunlight, you can see these colors. They're very lovely. And so this is going to be a lot of fun. And it's 100% cotton paper, which I've never worked with before. So it's very nice. It's thick, and it did not buckle at all. And so there's a nice slot to keep the water brush pen. And then once everything dries, you can just close it all back up, and it dries pretty quickly. And I love that cover that looks like it's like laser cut, where it says watercolor. And it's just a really nice, well done packaging, and some really nice, lovely watercolors. So happy July, and let's get painting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.